The Cook and Serve Challenge brings experienced chefs together with the top quality service staff to offer the best end-to-end experience for their guests.
Tables are looking great, theme's been entirely up to down, so we've got some interesting themes, some great setups.
Our theme is foraging, so we're trying to really sell that.
Front of house staff must design the menus and carefully plan their table layups. Teams must cook and serve a 4-course meal. Starters must be vegetarian, the main course must include hake, there's a cheese course and a rhubarb-based dessert.
Oh, it's been good. Glad it's over. Everything went to plan, and yeah, we'll see what happens.
I had an amazing table. The guests were just really, really great.
Absolutely knackered and starving.
Really excellent standard, amazing enthusiasm, and people look really professional.
Really good standard of food, some quite tasty dishes.
Featuring a unique blend of exceptional food and faultless customer service, the Cook and Serve Challenge makes for a difficult decision for the judges.
The winner of the 2019 Cook and Serve Challenge,
University of Edinburgh.
I was feeling great, to be honest. Yeah, we did the next step, but we won it. So
yeah,
looking forward for next year.